Pflanzendrink. Cool. I have no idea what that means. Hi, I'm Olive. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. As you can see from the title, today I am going to be kind of eating like Pamela Reif. Reif? Is that am I saying that right? Oh god, getting my German on. Basically, I'm going to be making one of the recipes from her new book, You Deserve This. Now, there's only one issue, and that is that the book only exists in German at the moment, which is kind of a problem for me because you've probably noticed right now that I'm not German. Probably a lot of you thought I would be German because this is a very, very German video right now, but I am not German. I do not speak German. Ein bisschen, you know, I try. But I decided, you know what? Screw this. I'm going to try and make one of her recipes. But the challenge here is that I'm not going to use a translator. So this should be really fun, and I'm gonna test my German skills that I learned literally in school for like a few months. So they're not the best skills. Gonna test them out in today's video, and we're gonna see what we can do. I'm gonna be making a salted caramel brownie bowl. Thankfully, the title is in English and there's a picture, so I'm hoping that that is gonna save my ass today. I'm going to shut up and I'm gonna get straight into making this Pamela recipe. Wish me luck. So here we are in my kitchen, which in German is Kuchen. That is literally not it. But hallo, wie geht's? That I can do. Good start. Okay, so I have the recipe on my phone. I found this on Google Images, so it was the only one that was really on there. So I'm just gonna move to the side because I'm gonna be popping it right here, and we're gonna go through the ingredients and we're gonna try and figure out what on earth they mean. Salted caramel brownie bowl mit granola. I feel like she means granola, but she doesn't. She means ronola, which I have no idea if that's just a German thing or if that's like something she's made or if that's literally a thing that exists in the world and I just don't know about it, because if that's the case then I'm stupid and I apologize. So apparently it takes 10 minutes to make, which we like because that doesn't sound too crazy. Ingredients, okay? Let's start. 1 Entsteinte. Oh god, I already don't know what that means. Like, girl. Dattel. Okay, so we're gonna start with ein Einsteinte Dattel. Totally love that for me. No idea what that means. I have a feeling that dattel means dates. I'm gonna just try and picture this recipe in my head if it was in English. So I'm thinking if you're gonna be making something sweet, you're gonna use dates, right? I feel that. I might be super wrong, but we're just gonna imagine that it's dates. But I have absolutely no idea what Entsteinte means. So that is something that I will have to guess. A handful? Maybe a handful of dates? That's a lot of dates. Is that a lot of dates? I don't know. Is that a lot of dates? I have literally no idea, but we're just gonna, for the purpose of moving forward right now, we're gonna say that it means handful. Okay, great, perfect. This is gonna go down so bad. I'm excited. 1 gefrorene Banane. Okay, so it's a banana. We got that, didn't we? It's a banana, but now I'm very confused with what gefrorene means. Gefrorene. It says 1, so like it can't be half. So it's gotta just be a banana. Maybe ripe, because like you're gonna put it in the blender and you're gonna mix it, so it needs to be soft and ripe, right? Okay, but I don't know if I even have that, so whatever, we're just gonna say 1 banana. Sorted, done, perfect. 150 milliliters of Pflanzendrink. Cool. I have no idea what that means. Okay, but in brackets, it's saying also that we could go for Mandeldrink, which I know means almond. I know Mandel means almond because I have an Instagram picture that I took in Germany at the fair, and above me it said Mandel, and I know for a fact that means almond. So you know what, girl? We are going to go for almond milk. I don't know what Pflanzen is. It's just not gonna happen. It could mean rice. It could mean hazelnut. I don't think it means hazelnut. Could be rice. I feel like it might be rice. Pflanzen. I have no clue. So we're just gonna go for almond milk, okay? Cool. Shh. 2 TL. Haselnussmus. So we need 2 TLs of Haselnussmus. The first problem we've encountered here is that I think Haselnussmus means hazelnut butter, which your girl doesn't own. So like, that's gonna be a problem already. Haselnussmus. Haselnussmus. I'm probably saying that so wrong. TL, okay, it's either tablespoons or teaspoons. I have no idea. I think we're just gonna go for 2 teaspoons of peanut butter because I don't have hazelnut butter, so we're gonna do peanut butter. Next, 2 TLs of rohes Kakaopulver stark entholt. That was a lot of words that didn't make sense to me. I think the first part makes sense though, and I think it's saying raw cacao powder. That's what I'm getting from it. That's what I want to think. That's what I want to believe. That's what I have in my cupboard. So I'm just gonna assume it's that. Now I don't know what stark entholt means, which I'm probably pronouncing awfully, so I apologize in advance. This is in no way trying to make fun of German, like I legit am trying here. I'm just gonna leave it at raw cacao powder because like the rest just irrelevant. Then we've got etwas vanille gemahlen. Something to do with vanilla, obviously. I'm gonna think vanilla extract, vanilla pods, vanilla bean, vanilla vanille what? Etwas, what does etwas mean? Etwas, with. I think it means with vanilla. With vanilla, gemahlen, mixed. I don't know, this is getting out of hand. If I have any vanilla in there, like extract, I'll add a few drops. That's probably not at all what it means, but like we're gonna put that in there if we find it. 1 Prise salt. Pinch of salt, I assume. Usually that's what you would put in a recipe. We're gonna just assume Prise means pinch. Okay, and last but not least, 1 TL. Teaspoon. I bet it's gonna mean tablespoon this entire time, but I don't think we want 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. That would be insane because I think this last bit means cinnamon. I don't know what Ceylon means. Ceylon? Absolutely no idea. It's not gonna happen, but I know that Zimt means cinnamon. That's all I know because I love Christmas and I love Christmas markets, so Zimt is a very Christmassy word. Zimt pulver, cinnamon powder. Now the toppings, we need 20 grams of granola. I feel like granola is like literally something she's made and called it granola, which is like raw granola. But I don't have that and I'm not about to make that. I'm sorry, like it's just not gonna happen. But I've got granola, so we're just gonna use that, okay? Great. Half a banana, I understand that. Okay, great. 1 teaspoon Haselnussbutter. Oh no. Okay, wait a second. In the mix it says Haselnussmus, and then in the toppings it says Haselnussbutter. Those are 2 different things and I don't understand why. What's hazelnut mousse? Oh my god, this is gonna turn out really not right. Okay, moving on. 1 teaspoon of cacao nibs. We have that. We are good. Amazing. And then we've got some info here from Pamela saying, little fun fact for you guys. I'm gonna try and read this in German. It's gonna be awful. I apologize in advance, but here we go. Datteln, dates, gehören zu meinen liebsten Süßungsmitteln. Okay, I think that means, let me get my translation going here. Dates are something to do with hearing. I swear hören means like hearing. I remember learning I'm listening to music. Something to do with her favorite sweet something snack. I have no idea. Da sie wohle essentielle Mineralien sind. Das wirkt unter anderem Alltagsstress entgegengang. Okay, I tried. I think it's something to do with dates being filled with minerals and helping with stress. Anti-stress. Thanks, Pamela. Love that little fact. I have no idea if that's what you said, but like, I'm just gonna assume. Anyway, let's get started and make this thing. Basically, what it says in the recipe is that I've got to mix all of the ingredients together in a mixer, and then I just literally put the toppings on top, and that's it. I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna replace some of the ingredients with like peanut butter, and if I don't have vanilla, I'm not gonna put vanilla in there. I'm gonna really try my best, and we're gonna see what I can do. Okay, so I have all my ingredients here. As you can see, I've tried my best. Obviously, I'm gonna use peanut butter. I'm gonna use almond milk. I'm gonna use a few different things here because I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna try my best. So from what I understand, I have to put the dates mit dem Banane in the mixer. I'm gonna assume that it's a handful of dates. So like, here we go. And then I'm literally gonna put an entire banana inside, and I feel like you're not supposed to do that at all, but I'm gonna do it because I don't know what I'm doing. So now we have to put 250 milliliters of almond milk. I don't actually have a measuring thing. I'm gonna use a teacup and assume that it's the amount of a teacup. So here we go. Lovely, lovely. So I'm gonna put in 250. That is so not 250. Is that's probably it. We're gonna put 2 teaspoons of peanut butter. 1, 2. Super! Sehr gut. So then I'm gonna put a little bit of cacao powder in here, guys. 2 of these. I guess this is what makes it brownie-esque. Amazing. And then apparently I just mixed that. Let's see what the hell is gonna happen. I think I put way too much milk. This is a problem. This smells, yeah, interesting. Die Gewürze und bei diesem Rezept besonders wichtig, da die Karamellnote erst durch das I don't know what it's saying, but I am just assuming here something to do with the dates and the hazelnuss entsteht. Gut, yeah, I don't know. So I think the vanilla comes in now, the salt, the cinnamon, and then it's perfect. So let's do that. So I don't have any vanilla. I'm gonna just miss that step. We're gonna add a little bit of salt. Here's my pinch. There we go, that was a pinch of salt, kind of, not really. Add the cinnamon. And then we're gonna mix it again, and then I'm gonna see what happens. Ah, scheiße, ich habe keine bowls. I don't know how you say bowls in German. Okay, so here's my bowl. I'm gonna empty out the ingredients, and we're gonna pray that this is gonna taste decent. I have absolutely no idea. It's actually looking quite thick, so we kind of like that. Ooh, yeah, it's like a brownie acai bowl kind of vibe. Let's hope it tastes good. It smells good. Sort of. Die Mixtur in eine Bowl geben. Oh, it is bowl. Und mit etwas selbstgemachtem Granola. Okay, so the granola recipe is on Seite 204. So if you wanna do that, go do that. I don't have the book. It's not gonna happen. Also, I probably wouldn't understand. So I'm just gonna use granola that I bought from Whole Foods. This one's apple and cinnamon, which the recipe does not call for, but be a little spontaneous. Add a little bit. Scheiße! Nicht gut! I'm gonna look at the picture because the picture is basically going to show me what to do. When in doubt, look at the picture. So then I'm just gonna put on the banana. Sehr gut. Then we're gonna add a little bit more peanut butter because I don't have hazelnut butter. So we're just gonna add some like here. Das ist nice. Ja. Das ist sehr gut. Super. And then we're gonna add some cacao nibs. Okay, so basically this is what it looks like. It doesn't look exactly like the photo. It's a lot lighter. I don't quite know why. I think I put too much milk and not enough cacao powder. Probably just completely the wrong ingredients. But I'm about to taste it now, and if it tastes good, then that is all that actually matters, right? Let's see what I've done here. That's actually fucking sexy. I'm not even joking. That is really good. Like, really good. Damn. That's lecker. Oh, I just spat everywhere. But like, lecker. That is delicious. Kind of DIY'd it. Put my own stuff in it. But it's really good. I think you can change some of the ingredients up. It doesn't really matter. It's not the end of the world. But it tastes pretty good, and that's all that counts in the end. I don't quite know like where the caramel bit is in this, because I didn't add any caramel and it doesn't taste like caramel, but maybe there was something German in there that I didn't understand, and there was something caramelly I was supposed to do, but I didn't. So please comment down below what on earth I missed out to make it caramel-like, because it's really not caramel at all, unless that's just the name to make it sound cute. But I don't know, maybe the dates are supposed to taste like caramel. I have literally no idea. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below what I did wrong, which is probably everything. If I don't get many comments, I will actually be happy, because that means I actually did it right. I'm actually so excited for the English version to come out, because I am buying that like there is no tomorrow, like bam, straight up. You can also follow me on my social media if you wish. This is my Instagram. Go check it out if you feel like it. If you don't, then don't. Subscribe if you haven't already, if you'd like to watch more of my videos, and I am going to go now because I need to eat this because it's actually genuinely really delicious. Have a nice day, and I hope to see you in my next video.